In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your camera being stuck on a black screen on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now let's say you're trying to use the camera application. I'm going to open mine right now, but for some reason it's stuck on a black screen. Whether you go from photo to video, video to photo, it's still a black screen. That could be really annoying. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead to your app selector and just swipe out of camera app because it might just be bugged or it might have crashed. Go open it again and see if that works. It might be a very simple fix. Now, let's say you're trying to go ahead and use your camera on a different application like Snapchat, anything like that. What you want to do is go over to your settings application. From here, scroll down until you see privacy and security, then scroll down again. It's going to show you different things that have access on your phone. Then you're going to see camera. As you can see, 31 applications right now have access to my camera. If you don't want certain applications though, having access to your camera, all you got to do is disable them. And if you want to enable them again, like let's say I was trying to use, my camera on Google Chrome, but it was disabled like this, you just got to re-enable it and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.